Welcome to Fast Track Math. In today's video, we'll compare the FOIL method to the box method. These are two popular strategies for multiplying binomials, so let's put them head to head with real examples. Our first challenge today is to multiply x plus 3 by x plus 5. When you multiply two binomials together, you're expanding them into a quadratic equation. So the general pattern looks like this. If you have x plus a times x plus b, that will be equal to x squared plus a plus b times x plus ab. So let's see how our two methods work. First, the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last, and that is the order in which you multiply the terms. So for x plus 3 times x plus 5, if we multiply the first terms, x times x is x squared. Multiplying the outer terms, x times 5 is 5x. Now if we multiply the inner terms, 3 times x equals 3x. And finally, the last terms, 3 times 5 equals 15. Combining them, that is x squared plus 5x plus 3x plus 15. And combining like terms, that'll simplify to x squared plus 8x plus 15. Now let's look at the box method. The box method uses a visual grid to organize your multiplication. Here's how it works. So first you'll draw a box, in this case a 2x2 grid, and label the sides with each term from your binomial. So on the left side here we have x plus 3, and on the top we have x plus 5. Then we'll multiply the row label by the column label for each box. So x times x is x squared. 3 times x is 3x. X times 5 is 5x. And 3 times 5 is 15. Now if we collect all four products and combine like terms, that will be x squared plus 8x plus 15, just like we saw for the FOIL method. Let's try another example. Now, we want to multiply 2x minus 3 by x plus 4. This one has a coefficient on the x term and a negative number. So will the FOIL method or the box method handle it better? Let's find out. First, let's expand using the FOIL method. Our first terms are 2x and x, and they multiply to 2x squared. Multiplying the outer terms, 2x times 4 is 8x. For the inner terms, we have negative 3 times x, which is negative 3x. And our last terms are negative 3 times 4, which equals negative 12. Combining like terms, this simplifies to 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. Now for the box method. We're multiplying 2x minus 3 times x plus 4. So here's our grid. On the left hand side we have 2x minus 3, and on top we have x plus 4. So multiplying 2x times x, we have 2x squared. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. 2x times 4 is 8x. And negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Once again, if we collect the terms from the box, 2x squared, 8x, negative 3x, and negative 12, and combining them, this simplifies to 2x squared plus 5x minus 12. So we get the same answer for both methods, but the box method helps you to visually track negative signs because they stay in their cells and don't get lost. So comparing both methods, The FOIL method is fast once you memorize it. It works well mentally, but it can be tricky with negatives and it requires careful tracking. Whereas the box method, it provides a clear visual organization. It reduces sign errors, and it is great for complex problems, but it takes slightly more space. So the FOIL method equals speed. It's perfect for quick mental math once you mastered the pattern. It's great for simple problems and building fluency. The box method equals clarity. It provides a good visual organization that prevents mistakes and keeps your work neat. It's especially helpful with negatives and larger coefficients. But in the end, the choice is yours. Try both methods and discover which one fits your thinking style. Many students use box to learn, then they switch to FOIL for speed. Now it's your turn. Multiply x plus 2 by x minus 7. Choose your method. Will you use FOIL for speed or box for visual clarity? Show your work. Write out each step so you can catch any mistakes along the way. And share your answer. Drop your solution in the comments and tell us which method you use. Once again, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.